Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video I am going to show you how to enter a long position. In trading, if you want to enter a long position, you are meant to do that in an uptrend, and if you want to enter a short position, you are meant to do that in a downtrend. Right now, for us to identify an uptrend or a downtrend, I am going to use an indicator. This indicator I am going to use is the exponential moving average, and to access this indicator, I would have to go to this section right here where it says technical indicator. You click on this and search for EMA. The first result right here, moving average exponential, is what we are going to use in this video. You click on this. This blue line right here is the exponential moving average. And for us to properly use this indicator to identify an uptrend or a downtrend, I would have to go over to the settings and change the input. Click on settings. I am going to change the length from 9 to 200. The next step would be to change the style so you can see this clearly. You click on this. I would have to change the color. When you are done, you click on OK. This blue line right here is the exponential moving average. The simple way you can use this indicator is that when price is closing candles below this 200 length exponential moving average, then the price is said to be in a downtrend. So if you want to enter a position right now, the ideal position to enter is a short position. And whenever the price goes to this exponential moving average, you can put in a short position right here and you would get a chance to take your profit at a lower level. As you can see, when the price touches this 200 length exponential moving average, the price gets rejected. That means this blue line acts as resistance in a downtrend. But when the price breaks above this 200 exponential moving average, then the price is said to be in an uptrend. As you can see, at this level right here, the price continues to go in an upward direction. You can see this clearly. Now when you want to enter a long position, you can either do so at this first level right here, upon confirmation of several candle closes above the 200 exponential moving average. If you were to enter a long position at this level, let me show you exactly how you would do it. You can easily identify a bull flag from this formation. At this position right here would be the resistance line, and right here would be the support line. You can call this chart formation a bull flag or an ascending triangle. Either way, this is a bullish formation and the price tends to break in the upward direction upon the completion of this pattern. So if I was to enter a trade, I would enter at the point of breakout. Now let me show you exactly how my trade would turn out. If you go over to this section right here, you click on long position. If I was to enter at around this level, what this does is that it is going to show you the risk to reward ratio. As you can see right here, risk/reward, and the ratio right now is at 1. But for you to be a profitable trader, you have to make it a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. For us to do that, we would have to drag this bottom section right here to the low of this price action. Let me zoom in. You can see right here, this was the low of this price action. And if you were to enter your trade at around this level, you would get a chance to take your profit at a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. You would have to extend the target to a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. How this would help you long term is that you are going to make more money in a winning trade and you are going to lose less money when the trade goes against you. You can see right here, if I was to enter this trade at around this level, I would get a chance to take my profit at a higher level, and if this trade goes against me, my stop loss would be at this level. So this is how you enter a long position using the 200 exponential moving average with a risk to reward ratio. Now let me go over another example in the price chart. The next level to enter a long position is when the price touches the exponential moving average. If I go forward in price, you would see that the next time the price touches this exponential moving average was at around this level. So if I was to enter a long position, I would enter upon confirmation of this support. You can see that after this massive uptrend, the price came down to the 200 exponential moving average, and this acted as support. So if I was to enter a long position, I would enter upon confirmation of this support right here. And I'm going to show you exactly how my trade will turn out. If I go forward in price, you would see that there was a continuation in the uptrend. Now let me show you my potential take profit and stop loss when I use a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio upon entry at this level. My stop loss would be at the previous candlestick low, and my take profit would be at a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So I would have to drag this stop. You can see right here, this is a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. The price came to touch this level, and I would have taken my profit if I was to enter this trade with a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. You can see that the price continues to go higher, but to avoid being greedy, you should stick with your strategy. My entry point at around this level, my stop loss at a lower level, and my take profit would be above the current price. This right here is a simple strategy to make consistent profit over time. Before I end this video, you should know that you can also use this risk to reward ratio in a short position. If I go to the previous price action, this right here is a downtrend, and if I was to enter a short position, this is exactly how it would look like. Select short position right here. My entry would be at around this level, my stop loss at the previous candlestick high right here, and my take profit at a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. As you can see, this right here is a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and the price went perfectly to touch my price target. So this is basically how you enter a long position using the 200 length exponential moving average with a risk to reward ratio. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can please leave a thumbs up and try subscribe to the channel. I have been using this strategy over a long period of time, and it has been profitable. You can see right here, this is my current long position on the Binance exchange. This right here is my entry price, and I am currently trading the BTC USDT pair at a 100x leverage. If you want to trade with bonus, you can easily use my Bybit link in the description of this video, where you would get a variety of bonus upon completion of simple tasks. You can see right here, there are various tasks for you to complete and you would get these bonus. With that said, this is going to be it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.